Last year we partnered up with Coleg Cambria quite significantly. They have a bakery course but not a tutor. We have a tutor and not the course, so we've put all parties into contact, and that started last year as well, and obviously it's continuing into 2014. With here being the craft bakery, there's a great need for hand skills. We do engineering, so we take on 2 engineer apprentices every year. Apart from apprenticeships, they sponsor other training and leadership and management and courses like that. So they're very open to developing people, growing their own, future-proofing, succession planning, all of that. The market out there is ferocious. There is a general skills shortage, so by us bringing it within, we can grow our own and we become more competitive. Those individuals are moulded to our business. They understand how we work, our mentality, our products, and it just makes an overall better feeling for the business.